Welcome, today I am with JBL Tune 225 true wireless sound earphones, and I will show you how you can check serial number on this device. So when you have the case in front of you, you have to rotate like that on the back, and the serial number will appear right here at the bottom under this marking. Of course, I will zoom in to show you closely. I think that right now you can see the serial number. It's right here. It's very hard to spot, but you can take a look right here at the bottom. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.